Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the vent feature on your Tesla application, and I'm also going to explain when you should use it. So first of all, you need to open your Tesla application on your smartphone. Then you just have to simply select your vehicle from the home screen. Just make sure that your car is online and it should also be connected to the internet. Now on the home page, you need to simply tap on the option of controls. Now when you are inside controls, the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you will find this vent option. So you just have to simply tap on it once and all the vehicle windows will lower slightly to let the hot air escape from the cabin. So this vent feature is especially useful when your Tesla has been parked in the sun. So it's quickly going to release the trapped heat before you get in, making the cabin more comfortable. Just remember that it only opens the windows a small amount and it doesn't turn on the air conditioning. Now, when you are ready to close the windows, now you need to simply reopen the Tesla application, and this time where the vent option was previously available, you will see this type of close button. So you need to simply tap on the option of this close button and it is going to close the vent feature. So that's how you can basically use this feature. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.